Hi, this is Corinne Bongiovanni with Rovi Homes. I'm here at 150 Ruskin Street in Chicopee, Massachusetts. I'd love for you to come out and check this amazing property. Give me a call at the number below. See you soon. Come check out this ranch style that has an open concept with 3 bedrooms and 1.5 baths. There's 2 fireplaces, and the kitchen was remodeled with all new appliances as well as the windows were replaced. Bathroom on the first floor was updated about 2 years ago. It's a must-see. Also, the heating and cooling was recently redone with all new ductwork throughout the home. Make sure you come out and check out this amazing home in Chicopee, Massachusetts, right here at 150 Ruskin Street. Give me a call at the number below. Talk to you soon. Bye.